Location phrases in Samoan. In this lesson, we're going to ask where something is, and then you're going to respond with the location phrase la e. When you say it in regular speed, it kind of sounds like lai, lai. Lai is the expression that indicates where something is located. Lai above, lai below, lai in front, and so forth. So here are some location terms. Ilunga, above. Ilalo, below. Iluma, in front. Itua, behind or in the back. Itutonu, inside. Ifafo, outside. Italaatu, beyond. Italamai, this side. Italane, next to. We're going to use two objects for this lesson. Olefat malu, the umbrella, and olekavale, the car. Find the umbrella in relation to the car and use Samoan terminology. So the sentence structure would be the object you're looking for, lae, then its position, then the other object. So if someone would ask, Olefat malu, if it's on top of the car, your reply would be, Olefat malu, lae lunga, olekavale. The umbrella is located on top of the car. Fatmalu is the object you're looking for, plus the indicator lae, then where it's at, ilunga, finally the other object, olekavale. A lot of times the response will just be olai lunga olekavale, because it's already understood that we're looking for the umbrella, and you're just saying where it's located. Again, since it's understood that we're looking for the umbrella, the response could simply be on top of the car. Olefat malu, olai lunga olekavale. Try these for exercise. Olefat malu. There it is. It looks like it's under the car. Lai lalo. Olefat malu, lai lalo, olekavale. The umbrella is under the car. Olefat malu. It's behind the car. Lai tua. Olefat malu, lai tua, olekavale. The umbrella is behind the car. Olefat malu. La iluma, in front. Olefat malu, la iluma, olekavale. The umbrella is in front of the car. Olefat malu. Inside, lai tutonu. Olefat malu, lai tutonu, olekavale. Olefat malu, lai tutonu, olekavale. The umbrella is inside of the car. Let's try one more. Olefat malu. There it is. You could say it's beyond the car, lai talaatu, or you could say it's next to the car, lai talane. Olefat malu, lai talaatu, olekavale. The umbrella is beyond the car. Or olefat malu, lai talaane olekavale. The umbrella is next to the car.